Welcome to Blue Mountain, Ontario, home to the Ridge Runner, the province's first and only mountain coaster. In this video, we're taking you on the full ride, with scenic views, fun facts, and everything you need to know. Buckle up!
You do, yes. So you're going to peel that off and put it around your wrist. 12 and under is for the children, and then 13 and plus for the adults.
Be warned. Wait times can stretch to 30-60 minutes during peak hours, especially in summer and on weekends.
Gonna make sure they're all on your wrist. I can put them on for you.
At Blue Mountain, you can ride the Ridge Runner with a play all day pass, starting at around $54 on weekdays and up to $74 on weekends or holidays, which includes unlimited access to other attractions too. If you're only interested in the coaster, single ride tickets are also available. It's so iconic, it's worth the 2-hour drive from Toronto just to experience it. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or soaking in nature, the Ridge Runner alone makes Blue Mountain a destination worth the trip.
Welcome to the Ridge Runner.
All right, grab those handles, push all the way forward to go. Perfect, push all the way. Awesome, hold at the bottom, it's easier, okay? Awesome, let's go. Pull back to slow down. 2 thumbs up if you understand. Perfect, have fun.
The Ridge Runner mountain coaster isn't just a ride, it's one of Ontario's top attractions and a must-do thrill for adventure seekers. Located in Blue Mountain Resort, this Alpine coaster twists through forest trails and scenic views at speeds up to 42 km/h. The Ridge Runner begins with a peaceful 4-minute climb up the mountain. As you head up, watch for key attractions peeking through the trees. You'll get a perfect view of the Canopy Climb Net adventure, tucked in between the forest trails with rope bridges and net towers. Before your Ridge Runner adventure begins, a staff member will attach a REVL card to your cart. This activates the front-mounted HD camera that records your entire ride, capturing every twist, turn, and scream. Once you finish, you can preview your video on a screen and either purchase it or record it with your phone. A single ride costs $17 on weekdays and $23 on weekends, while unlimited access is available with a play-all-day pass. The REVL video pricing may vary, but expect to pay around $10-20 if you choose to buy the clip. You can purchase the clip or simply replay it on the screen and record it with your phone. No pressure, just memories. This ride is built for all ages. Kids age 3-12 can ride as passengers, while those 13 and older and at least 137 cm tall can ride solo. Drivers with passengers must be 16 plus, and the cart's max weight is 150 kilograms. Here we go! The downhill stretch lasts about 2 minutes, twisting through dense maple and pine trees, gliding over wooden bridges, and zipping past rocky outcrops. Depending on the season, you'll ride through lush greens, blazing fall colors, or a snowy winter wonderland. This coaster is gravity-powered and you're in control. Each cart has a manual brake, so you can cruise or fly. No experience needed, just push forward to go, pull back to slow down. And yes, you can take your kids too. Children as young as 3 years old can ride as passengers with an adult driver. It's a fun and family-friendly experience for all ages. Thanks for riding with us on the Ridge Runner. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite moment, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool Canadian adventures. Catch you on the next ride!